All right, so here a company establishes a sinking fund for upgrading some equipment with monthly payments of $2,000 into an account paying 6.6 compounded monthly. How long will it be before the account has $100,000? Round up to the next higher month, if not exact. All right, well, we know our future value has to be 100,000. We're adding 2,000, and we know it's 6.6% compounded monthly. So we just have to plug in everything we know and what we don't know. We just have to use probably numeric solvers, easiest way. So 100,000 equals 2,000 times, and we have 1 plus. Now this is monthly, so it's going to be 0.066 over 12, and it's going to be 12 times x, because that's what we're going to plug in our calculator. It's really a t, but that's okay. Minus 1 all over the 0.066 over 12. And when we plug all that into our calculator, I'm going to use numeric solver. So math up solver. Now we can't use those because we didn't have it typed in. So 100, 1, 2, 3. And here we're going to have, what was it, 2,000, parenthesis, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.066 divided by 12 raised to the 12x, arrow down, minus 1. Oh, didn't arrow down, obviously. Arrow down, minus 1. Parenthesis, and now divided by parenthesis 0.066 divided by 12 in parenthesis, and that should give us our time, or yeah, time. So it says 3.69, so that should be 3.69 years. So let's go back over here and see what it says to do. So it says t is equal to, and I put x, but that's okay, 3.69 years. And now they want it in months though. So we didn't do months, so we have to go back now and do that in months. So let's go back over here. And so let's second quit. So 3.69 times 12. So that's 44.28 months. And it says, so that's going to be approximately 44.28 months, and it says round up to the next month higher. Okay, so that's going to be 45 months. So that's how long it's going to take. Because at 44.28 months, it's going to be exact, but we can't just say, oh, well, 44 months, we're going to do it. You have to go up to the next higher month before you have the full amount that's going to be in the account that you need of $100,000. You'll be over $100,000, but you'll have at least that $100,000. If you only did 44, you're going to be under 100,000 and you won't have that amount. So that's why we were going to round up, and then we get our full amount we need at 45 months. All right, so let's do another one here real quick. So a person invests $2,000 annually in an IRA. At the end of 6 years, the amount in the fund is 14,000. What annual nominal compounding rate has this fund earned? All right, so we know that in the future value is going to be 14,000, and we plugged in $2,000 a year. And what else do we know? We're doing it annually, so we don't have to worry about dividing by 12 or any of those things. So it's going to be 2,000 times 1 plus, and then it's going to be some I, but we could use I or X because X is what's going to type into the thing. And it's going to be 6 minus 1 divided by, and then we have I again. And so let's use our calculator, kind of like we did this last time. And so we'll do math up, and so this is going to be what, 14,000. And this one's going to be, oh, it's 2,000, so we're good there. And then we can just put X here and then delete, 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 delete. And then we can have just 6 here, so we can delete and delete and arrow down. And then over here is just going to be X, so we can delete, 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 delete. I think that should be everything. And it looks like we get 0.061402, and so it's going to be like 6.14%, it looks like. So here, I is going to be 6.14%, okay? And again, a lot of the percents, they either vary it between two decimal places or three decimal places. So in this case, we're just going to have it at the two decimal places. All right, so let's stop here and do one more after this.